Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, please subscribe to this channel. Today I will show you everything about this broker. I just earned almost $50 in 1 minute, guys. You can also do it if you learn it step by step. And if you are patient. So stay there. If you are completely new, don't worry. I will show you everything step by step from the beginning. Okay guys, here we are. I will show you everything about IQ option broker. So the first step you need to follow is to go to the official website. So below this video, here you have a link direct to the official page. The idea is to open a free 1000 IQ option practice account. So let's go to the link. For this link, we can here see everything about this broker. It's like a resume. It's like a review about this broker. So we have IQ option, what it is, and we also can change the languages here. We have economic calendars. We have everything here, okay, about this broker. But we will see inside this broker. We have how many users has this broker, in how many countries is supported, and also the trading volume per month. So all of those details are very important for you to make a decision. Now, so we also have 6 reasons to open an IQ option account and all of that. Now, let's see all of that inside of this broker. So let's go to get started. If we go to get started, we'll go here, you will place an email. Okay, let me place this email. Let's place a password. Okay, let me check this password. I agree about the terms and conditions and get started for free. Okay, so let me save this password and these credentials. Okay, we also have a download app. If you click here, the application will download it to our desktop computer, which is much better than this web application. Okay, it's much better because it's fastest and it has all the options. So guys, the first things that we have here besides this, before go into the broker, if we can see here, we have a confirm email. We can confirm our email, then go back to the main menu. Okay, we have to agree about these terms and conditions and privacy policy. So once we are here, we can go to trade now to see everything about the brokers again, or we can close it and go back to this page. Okay, let me do it for faster tutorial. So guys, the first thing that we have here is a short tutorial on how to follow and how to handle this broker here. As I told you, we can download the app. I already downloaded it. I have it here. Okay, so let me close that box. We can go to start trading with this 10,000 practice account. We can go here and we already have a practice account for this broker. So the first option that we can see here, we have a deposit button, which is very important. Let me show you the different method that this broker supports. Visa, MasterCard, Skrill, Bitcoin. You select, or you can place here the amount. The minimum deposit has to be $10. The same with any other metal. Bitcoin, wet money, and a teller. My favorite one, to be honest with you, is Skrill. Skrill and a teller. Those are the one that I use the most. Okay, then you go to continue and you will have to place your credentials and everything. But it's okay. We will see for later on. Another option that we have here is we have this button, the drop down icon here. Then we have our two accounts, the real account, which is in zero because we haven't made any deposit yet, and a practice account, which is with $10,000 on practice account. The idea is that you can learn without investing any money here. You just need to try to give it a try to this broker and see everything and see how this work. Here we have our profile icon. We can upload a picture if you want. It's up to you. If you go to this, you click on upload photo, and it will take you through the step to upload the photo. Okay, your profile photo, it's not allowed to public. All of this, you take in consideration this. Okay, now you can upload any photo you want. Upload this, but it has to be recommendable a face. And then save change. Okay, yes, it has to be a face. It need to be one of your pictures. Don't worry about that pictures. It's just for your account. Okay, and also you have another information here that we will see later on. Okay, then you have your personal data, the deposit button again, withdraw funds. To withdraw funds is really simple. You can use the same methods and all of them. To contact support, you have different options through email, live chat, and also through social net. You can see the trading history here, balance history, and all of that. Now let's go to the most important part. Here we have a chart, but we can change it here. This is the line chart. We have the candle chart. This is the most used chart to analyze the price. To analyze the price, this is the one that we use. Okay, we also have this one, which is bar, and we have another one, Heikin Ashi candlestick chart. But again, this is the one that we are going to use. Okay, here we have the option to change the time frame on this chart. Okay, we have, for example, 5 minutes. That means that every candlestick, every bar that you can see here on this chart represents 5 minutes. 5 minutes, okay? It has an open level and a closed level, but it represents 5 minutes. This one that is producing right now, it means that it's producing 5 minutes. So as you could see, we could see that it changed automatically. So in order for us to avoid this automatically change, we need to click on this button. Okay, now if we choose any time, it will stay there, no matter if we zoom up or zoom down, it will not change. Okay, so every candlestick in this chart represents 10 minutes. Okay, if we choose 1 minute, every candlestick here every bar represents 1 minute. If you are not understanding something about this, don't worry, because I will take you through this platform step by step. This is just the first video to let you know. We also have this button for the graphical tools. Graphical tools are line, like for example this one that we use to analyze the price. Okay, we have this horizontal line, vertical line, trend line, and Fibonacci level 2. Now we can trace from one point to another point, and all of that. We can clean the chart like pressing this button to remove all line. Okay. Something else that we have are the indicators. We have a lot of indicators, guys. Here on this channel we will see, for example, some indicator like this, and I will show you, I will teach you everything about this indicator and how to use it to make entry. Okay. We have others indicator very famous like RSI, which is one of my favorite too, that we will use it later, but we need to download the desktop application. Later on we will see them, all of them. The thing is that we have a lot of indicators. Besides these buttons, we have this portfolio. Okay, we have here everything pending. So every time that we will see later on. Okay, so here we have the time. We have the time, the expiration time for our trade, for our investment. If I want to make a trade here and I want just the trade for 1 minute, we need to choose here 1 minute. The remaining 44 seconds, for example, or 2 minutes, or more than 2 minutes, etc. And we can see here the profit. The profit for this investment, it would be 87%. It's very simple. Okay guys, I don't want to make this video so long, so we will have another part, which would be the second part for this tutorial, for this complete tutorial. As I told you, don't worry if you didn't understand something on this video. Okay, the idea of this video was only to open an account, to register on this broker line. Later on we will see every button, every options that we have here, we will see. Okay, so before I leave, we have the higher option for call option and the lower button for put option. Okay, stay there and we will see every other details on the next video.